Hey, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This is James Renouf, and I have Dave Espino with me here today. Hey, Dave.
Hey, everybody.
And we are so pumped to bring this to you. So obviously, listen to this video, but make sure you go through everything on the sales page. We are in a crazy moment in time right now. The majority of people, probably you watching this video, you've heard about AI all of a sudden, like seemingly out of nowhere, this has happened. But that in and of itself is false. AI has been around for a long time. In fact, we were talking about AI 5 years ago. So Dave and I have a chuckle here when we see everybody all of a sudden talking about AI because we've been talking about it for a long time. At the same time, you have to really understand that we are at a very pinnacle moment right now. It's a pinnacle moment because everything is changing so fast, and people, in a sense, are still thinking about how we thought about 5 years in the past. And how we were thinking was, oh, isn't it cool that this technology exists, right? Right now, you hear people say, oh, you can write a poem, you can use it to search. And that's awesome. But Dave and I are looking at it from a purely monetary perspective at this moment in time. And Dave, you want to elaborate with that?
Yeah, well, one of the most powerful ways you can use AI is to create a high ticket program, product, service, all that kind of thing. And so I'm always looking at things, and James and I, we're actually always looking at things as what's the ultimate way to monetize this? What's the ultimate way to make money on this? And when we first saw AI, it was like, oh, that's kind of cool because it was in the early stages. But now that it's really coming into its own, and now that people are starting to see the power of it, we're here to show you a really powerful way to use AI to make high ticket sales. We're talking $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 sales. That's per client, by the way. That's not in a month. That's in a one transaction. So it's really powerful, and that's what we have to show for you. That's what we want to show you today. Super powerful way to combine AI with the ability to make high ticket sales.
And I talk about this in the course, and it's just like Dave, especially, we're both, yeah, it's the new year, right? Everybody has a New Year's resolution and everybody's going to do great this year. Everybody says that every year. But I just want to speak for you, Dave, that Dave really, in the last couple months, not only with this specific strategy, but his whole kind of mindset right now has really propelled Dave specifically and is propelling me. And now it's going to propel you.